walking proud, plant sap in his veins. Sage with ash of time, teaches truth in simple plains.
Sage whispers to the earth, mortality's embrace. Yogi learns to see life's passing grace.
Find the purity in the ash and dust, true humility in life's gentle rust.
This passion in his heart, Yogi sheds his pride.
In the shadow of the sage, worlds now collide.
Blood and ash unite, two souls in the night. One with nature's song, they move along. Old sage smiles wise, lessons softly sung. Yogi bends his mind to the wisdom sprung. The blood and ash unite, two souls in the night. One with nature's song, they move along.
Old sage smiles wise, lessons softly sung. Yogi bends his mind to the wisdom